friends, I'm Bhishma and you are watching my channel G Tutorial. Today's class is on statistics. Here we will be studying what is median, mean and mode. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel for getting more RRB JE related videos. Now let us get to our portions. First we will see what is arithmetic mean or simply mean. It is same as average. That is, it is equal to sum of observations by number of observations. Next is median. To find median, we have to arrange the given data either in ascending order or in descending order. Then, if n is odd, that is, if the given number of data is odd, suppose n is equal to 11, then the median is equal to value of n plus 1 by 2th observation. Here n is 11. We are taking as example as 11. So, median is equal to the value of n plus 1. 11 plus 1 is 12. 12 by 2, 6. Value of 6 observation gives the median. Next is if n is even. If n is equal to 10, then median is equal to the value of n by 2th observation. That is 10 by 2. 5th observation. Value of 5th observation plus value of n by 2 plus 1. n by 2 is 5. 5 plus 1, 6. So, value of median in case n is even is value of n by 2th observation plus value of n by 2 plus 1th observation divided by 2. That is 5th observation plus 6th observation by 2 gives the median of n is 10. Okay, next term is mode. Data value that occurs maximum number of times is called mode. 2, 4, 4, 6, 4, 10, 12, 10, 2, 3, 4. If this is the given data, then mode is the number or value that occurs maximum number of times. Here 4 occurs 3 times, 2 occurs 2 times, 10 occurs 2 times. So, n occurs 4 times. So, mode is the value that occurs maximum number of times. So, mode is equal to 4. Next is the relation between arithmetic mean, median and mode. Mode is equal to 3 times median minus 2 times mean. Mode is equal to 3 into median minus 2 into mean. Gives the third one, mode. Okay. Now we can do some problems from these. This is the first question. If the mean of 5 observations x, x plus 2, x plus 4, x plus 6 and x plus 8 is 11, then find the mean of first 3 observations. Here it is given that mean of 5 observations. Mean of observations is equal to mean, arithmetic mean or mean is equal to sum of observation by number of observation. Sum is, the data given is x, x plus 2, x plus 4, x plus 6 and x plus 8. These are the sum of observation by, there are 5 observations. So, the number is 5 and it is given that its value, its arithmetic mean is 11. So, we can equate it to 11. So, from here we can find the value of x. 5x plus 20 by 5 is equal to 11. Or 5x is equal to 11 into 5. 55 minus 20 or x is equal to 35 by 5 which is equal to 7. Here we are asked to find mean of first 3 observations. That is mean of x, x plus 2 and x plus 4. Mean of these 3. So, mean of first 3 observation is equal to sum of observation x. Second data is x plus 2. Third data is x plus 4. By number is 3 observations. So, here we have obtained value of x as 7. 3x plus 6 by 3. We can substitute for x as 7. So, 3 into 7 plus 6 by 3. 3 7s are 21 plus 6 is 27 by 3 which is equal to 9. This is the answer of this question. Next question. This is the next question. If median of distribution 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, x, 15, 17, 19, 21 is 10, what is the value of x? Here we are given the median of these observations and one of the value is missing, x is missing and we are asked to find the value of x. So, we have studied that in order to find median of a set of data, first thing we have to do is we have to arrange it in either ascending order or descending order. But here it is given in ascending order, so we don't have to arrange it. Next thing is, what is the value of x? We have to count the number of data. That is, either it is even or odd. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Value of n is 10. There are 10 observations. That is, n is even. So, median is given by value of n by 2 observation plus value of n by 2 plus 1 observation divided by 2. So here value of n is 10. So value of n by 2 is 10 by 2. 10 by 2 is 5. So value of 5th observation plus value of n by 2 is 5. 5 plus 1, 6th observation divided by 2. So 5th value is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9 plus 6th value is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 x by 2, which is equal to 10. So 20 minus 9 gives the value of x. X is equal to 11. Next question. This is the next question. If 10 is the mean of a set of 7 observations and 5 is the mean of 3 observations, the mean of combined set is given by. In this case, we are given 2 sets of observations. In the first set, there are 7 observations and its mean is 10. And in the second set, there are 3 observations and its mean is 5. We are asked to find the combined mean of the combined set. This type of problem is solved by using this formula. Combined mean is equal to n1 x1 bar plus n2 x2 bar by n1 plus n2, where n1 is the number of observations of first type, n2 is the number of observations of second type. If there are more observations, then n3 x3 bar plus n4 x4 bar by n1 plus n2 plus n3 plus n4. It goes on like that. And here x1 bar is the mean of first set of observation. x2 bar is the mean of second set of observation. This gives the sum of observation by number of observation. Same as our original formula. Sum of observation by number of observation. Okay. So here n1 is first type of observation. n1 is equal to 7 observations. n2 is equal to 3 observations. In first case the mean is 10. And in the second case, the mean is 5. So, combined mean is equal to n1 is 7 into first mean is 10 plus 3 into 5 by number is 7 plus 3. 7 3 is 70 plus 15 by 10, which is equal to 8.5. The next question. The mean deviation of the data 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11 and 14 is, we are asked to find the mean deviation. For finding the mean deviation, first we have to find the mean. Mean is equal to sum of observation by number of observation. 3 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 10 plus 11 plus 14 by number of observation. 8, which is equal to 64 by 8, which is 8. Next thing is we have to find the deviation. Deviation is the change of each value from the mean. That is, first deviation of 3 from mean 8 is 3 minus 8, which is minus 5. We have to take the mode of that value. So 5 is the deviation of the value 3 from the mean. Next is deviation of 5 from 8 is 3, and so on. So we have to find the sum of these deviations. That is mode 3 minus 8 plus mode 5 minus 8 plus mode 6 minus 8 plus mode 7 minus 8 plus mode 8 minus 8 plus mode 10 minus 8 plus mode 11 minus 8 plus mode 14 minus 8, which is equal to 3 minus 8 is 5. We have to take the positive value, that is mode, plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 0 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6, which is equal to 10, 10, 20, 22, which is equal to 22. So, next is mean deviation. Mean deviation is equal to sigma d, summation of the deviation by number of observations, which is 8. That is 22 by 8, which is equal to 2.75. This is the mean deviation of these values. Next question. Find the standard deviation of 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. In the previous problem we have seen the mean deviation. Here we are asked to find the standard deviation. Standard deviation of this is, first we have to find the mean. Mean is sum of observation by number of observation. 5 observations. So the sum is 55. 55 by 5 is 11. This is the mean. And this, in order to find standard deviation, we have to find the square of deviation, sum of square of deviation. In case of mean deviation, we are just finding the sum of deviation. But in this case, we are going to find the sum of deviations. Okay. So, in this case, the deviation is from each value to mean. 7 minus 11. 7 minus 11 is a deviation of 7 from the mean. 9 minus 11 gives the deviation of 9 from 11. And so, we are asked to find the sum of squares of that. 9 minus 11 the whole square plus 11 minus 11 the whole square plus 13 minus 11 the whole square plus 15 minus 11 the whole square, which is equal to 7 minus 11 is 4. 4 square plus 9 minus 11 is 2 square plus 0 plus 13 minus 11 is 2. 15 minus 11 is 4 square. 4 square is 16. 16 plus 4 plus 16, which is equal to 40. This is the sum of square of deviations. Next is standard deviation. Standard deviation is denoted by the letter sigma, which is equal to square root of sum of these deviations by a number of observations, which is equal to root of sigma d square is 40. 40 by number of observation is 5. 5 is root 8, which is equal to 2 root 2, or 2 into 1.41, which is equal to 2.82. This is the value of standard deviation. That is, if you are asked to find standard deviation, first thing is we have to find the mean. Mean is sum of observation by number of observation. Next thing is we have to find the deviation of each term from mean. That is 7 minus 11 plus 9 minus 11 plus etc. That gives the deviation. And if you are asked to find standard deviation, we have to take the square of each of these terms. And the sum of it gives us deviation square, sigma d square. We have to find that. And the standard deviation is given by the formula root of sigma d square by n. Sigma d square is 40 and n is the number of, there are 5 observations. This gives the value of standard deviation. This is the next question. If mean and median of a set of numbers are 8.9 and 9 respectively, then the mode will be. The relation connecting mode, median and mean is 3. Mode is equal to 3 times median minus 2 times mean. We are given the values of median and mean. So we can find mode. 3 into median is 9 and mean is 8.9, which is equal to 27 minus 17.8, which is equal to 9.2. This is the answer. This is the next question. In a class of 50 students, 10 have failed and their average marks are 28. The total marks obtained by the entire class are 2800. The average marks of those who have passed are. Here we are given in a class there are 50 students. 10 have failed in the exam and their average mark is 28. The strength of the total mark of the entire class is 2800. We are asked to find the average of those who have passed the exam. So, if 50 students passed if 50 is the total number of students and 10 is the number of students who failed, 50 minus 10 gives the number of students who have passed. Number of students who passed the exam, which is equal to total number of students minus number of students who have failed, that is equal to 40. Next is, we are given the average marks of students who have failed is 28. 10 students failed. So average of failed students is equal to sum of observations, sum of marks by number of students. So average of failed students is given by 28. Their sum of marks is unknown, and we are given a number of students who is failed is 10. So we can find the sum of marks of students who have failed, which is equal to 28 into 10, which is 280. We are given the marks obtained by the entire class. Total marks of the entire class is equal to 2800. So marks of students passed is equal to total marks 2800 minus marks of students who have failed. So it is equal to 0. 10 minus 8 is 2. 2520. Now we are asked to find the average of those who have passed. So average of students who passed, which is equal to sum of marks, which is 2520 by number of students who passed is 40, which is equal to 63. This is the answer of this question. Now we have covered every type of problem that can be asked from the topic statistics. If you are having any doubt, you can comment below. Please make your suggestions. Thank you.